So in my computer keyboard, I simply type 266E. So I type 266E after opening Microsoft Word, MS Word document. After opening MS Word, I type like this. And the next step is that I am going to press these two keys at the same time. This is the Alt key and this is this key. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that this symbol is arrived. So this is the musical symbol for natural science. So the natural science symbol we have created by this method. One more method is that you must go to your computer keyboard and turn on the numlock key. Then you can see Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here 9838. So after typing 9838, you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that this symbol have been arrived here. For more videos, you can subscribe. Thank you.